And the second pair is on the first bench. Why does the poet call rain impalpable? Impalpable.
Impalpable means
intangible.
Intangible.
Something that
cannot be touching and seeing.
Touched or seen. Yes.
When the rain takes the form of water vapor, it is not visible for human eye. The rain condenses to form cloud, and which causes rain. It is eternal process. It cannot be visible for us.
My goodness, what an answer! It is an eternal process which cannot be visible by human being or understood by human being. What an answer! Lovely answer. You. Justify the title, The Voice of the Rain. Justify the title. How is the title? Yes, irrelevant. Justify.
The whole poem is about the eternal process and the benefits of the rain.
My goodness, what an answer!
Talking with the rain, and the rain is talking in his own voice.
The rain is giving her own voice, and the poet is trying to translate the voice of the rain in his own words.
In his own voice, and trying to convey a whole meaning about the significance of the rain.
My goodness, the poet is trying to convey the whole poem as the significance of the rain. What an answer! What a lovely answer! What is your good name? Excellent. Wow. Why does the poet call rain impalpable?
Impalpable means something which cannot be felt or seen.
The rainwater takes the form water vapor. It goes higher and condenses
And form clouds.
Yes.
And then it rains.
It causes rain. The entire process remains invisible to mankind. And that is why it is called impalpable or intangible. Right? You. Just tell me, justify the title, The Voice of the Rain.
The poem tried to understand the language of the rain in its writing, and it says that the benefits of rain for human beings and all the plants and human birds are like
Very good. That's good.
The rain is the most important thing for our life.
Absolutely right. We call rain impalpable or intangible. What happens when the water from the sea goes off and turns into water vapor and condenses into water droplets later on and falls in the form of rain? So the entire process is eternal process, and hence the thing that which is happening cannot be understood or seen by human being. It is not visible to human eyes. Is it visible? The entire process of the formation of the rain, transformation of the different forms of rain from seawater cannot be visible, and therefore we can say that it is impalpable or intangible. Absolutely right. Reach out. Your question. Reach out. There are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to? One is that of the rain, and the other is the poet. Very good. Which lines indicate this? That it is the conversation. Just tell the line. The poet asks the question, "Who art thou?" The poet asks the question, "Who art thou?" This is the question asked to the rain by the poet, and the rain says, "I am the poem of the. I am the." So these two lines are the dialogues spoken by the rain and the poet. Rain and the poet. Okay, one minute. Rain impalpable.